It really bothered me that I couldn't deliver to them what they needed. I mean, it was just a plethora of issue after issue. We said, okay, we have to change. We have to change. Our team was actually created almost 3 years ago. When we came on board, we had an existing video solution that was handed to us. There were some issues with it. We were living with it. We were working with it. It was a Flash-based solution on both the front and the back end. So, with a large part of our audience being mobile, that wasn't going to work. People were complaining about the time it took to upload and transcode. I mean, it was just an issue after issue. We had other departments saying, can't we do this better? We said, okay, we have to change. We have to change. And that's when we started looking around. We took a look at uStudio, and it offered everything. It wasn't Flash, it was easy to use, and delivered what we needed to deliver. And so that kind of made it rise to the top very quickly. I think once we saw uStudio and we started comparing it to the other ones, we kept coming back and saying, does this service do what uStudio does? When we kept comparing it to uStudio, we kind of figured out, oh wait, I think we're gonna go with uStudio. First impression of uStudio was ease of use. Just bam, that was it. It was really intuitive. It was like, here's where you upload a video, and here's where it goes, and here's what you can do with it. It was bam, bam, bam. It actually didn't take long for us to get up and running. We did have to migrate a large amount of video, which uStudio handled well. As soon as we said go, and I think it took less than a week to turn over like all of our videos, and we didn't have to go out and have some long training class. I think our initial kickoff phone call was, maybe an hour and a half. I mean, it was really that simple that we could do a kickoff and then go. If somebody asked me, would I recommend uStudio, or if they were looking to switch, I would definitely tell them to absolutely switch. The time saved, the ease of use, the flexibility in the fact that I can upload something to uStudio, I can select the destination and have it ready to deploy in minutes rather than hours. It's just incredible for us.